Can I, Looney Lou, kick the asses of a 9-year-old boy and a grown-ass man who happens to be one of the greatest sim racers on the entire internet? In the words of Toasty, the short answer is no.
Damn.
Let me explain. 6 years ago, Sam H., who was at the time 9 years old, threw a wicked gauntlet for Jimmy Broadbent. I found Jimmy's reaction video, so I thought I'd try my luck at this challenge. Jimmy just barely made it, showing how good this kid actually is. Personally, after 4 months of doing zero rally-related driving, trying my luck on this is bound to be interesting. So in full disclosure, the short answer being no is because I already tried this challenge. I did it in the R5 Fiesta, my lucky car, and I could not get close to Sam's time. And for some reason, the audio also didn't record with that video, so I made a fun silent film for bloopers at the end, featuring my cat. This whole video is really my second go at Sam's challenge, just to see if I can keep my pride intact. Now, what I'm doing differently this time is going to be announced in a deep voice. So let's hear the wisdom of Jimmer and get to it. For science and funsies!
Are you listening? Damn.
I challenge you to a Dirt Rally 2 showdown. I know you're always hiding in your shed, but it's time to face me.
What?
And there's a reward to this challenge. If you beat me, you can wear this glorious shirt.
Yeah.
I'm not allowed to wear it. I failed the challenge.
Yeah, boy!
Jimmy, we watch your YouTube channel all the time. We love it. But it's time for me to take you down.
And of course, I am more than willing to take on this challenge. It seems like it's going to be a lot of fun, and Sam looks really damn quick.
He is very quick, I can attest.
Challenge is as follows. I have to take an R5 car. I think Sam used a Škoda, so I'm going to go for the same car just to try and keep it nice and fair and nice and level. And I have to drive through the Lejno Stage in Poland faster than 3 minutes, 1 second, 0.796.
Alright.
The kicker is that I only get 5 attempts at trying this, which of course includes kind of practicing and learning the stage.
But the car that Jimmy used and Sam used was this one. Let's see, is there a black version? That's way sexier.
Oh, yeah.
So how does this compare? So the specs are almost the same. It's got a slightly beefier motor. And now, for the most important question the entire day, how hard can this possibly be?
3, 2, 1.
Run number 1.
6 right long, opens of a crest, 30.
Damn, this thing is quick.
Crest, tarmac.
Ooh! Ooh! Oh, hello. This is a fast car.
Right entry, chicane, 6 left, 250.
Okay, I didn't need first gear there. It could have been a second gear chicane.
T, turn, 3 left.
Oh, nuts. Okay. Where's the path? Here it is.
Opens of a jump.
Oh boy. Why did I downshift or brake? 329. That's a lot better than my first attempt last time. Darn. I'm surprised. That Škoda, like, right off the bat, that's a very nice car. That's very nicely balanced. I still like the Fiesta better. I'll probably buy it just because I have like hundreds of hours on that chassis. But this is nice. And you guys saw in the first few turns there, I was able to take those completely flat. I'm usually not able to do that in the Fiesta. And it feels more nimble. It takes jumps better. Like it goes a lot more level. It's very responsive. It also didn't like to stay in the air too much, which I'm kind of surprised about. It like wanted to get back down on the ground. Yeah. Right in the goalpost. Look at that. Score! Jump. I'm not even gonna bother trying to stay on the path there. Jimmy cut it. I'm gonna cut it.
Oh!
30, 6 right long.
Keep it bent! I'm going to use my first run as a bit of a recce, and then try and push for time after that, I reckon.
Yeah,
Also, in
see
terms of
how it
setup,
goes.
again, I don't know if
always the
Sam's
plan.
done anything, so I'm going to just leave it on the standard setup and hope for the best. Right then, here we go. I'm using my sequential shifter as my handbrake because the handbrake doesn't quite work properly, and I'm using paddles in the back here for gear shift. So, although the wheel isn't actually round, which might be scary at some point, hopefully we should be good. Anyway, let's get on with it.
So what Jimmy just pointed out with the paddle shifters, that's what the same thing I'm going to be doing. I've got the exact same shifter as him in this video, so I'm going to do the same thing where I use this as my handbrake, because my handbrake is busted, as per usual. We got 540 degrees of rotation, which you can see using the little wheel icon over there. It's that much. It's literally 3/4 of rotation in either direction. So it's like I almost need to hand over hand. I can hand over hand if I want, but I should be able to get away with just really leaning into it. Fast forwarding to the end of Jimmy's video, he hits a time of 3 minutes flat. That's impressive. Like for 5 runs, man, this is gonna be very interesting. How do I pronounce this? Lejno? Lejno. Okay, so I did use the Fiesta last time, and this is the best time that I got, okay? I keep looking over at my little OBS thing just to make sure my audio is working, because I keep getting scared that something bad's gonna happen again with the OBS. I don't understand why OBS is so buggy. I honestly think my computer is just kind of on its way out. I bought that thing in 2018, and it is still chugging. So Asus, if you guys are listening, specifically the ROG brand, you guys make baller PCs, all right? I bought this tower from you guys, brand new, and it has been fabulous. So thank you for constructing something so good. That being said, I did purchase it in 2018, which is, oh geez, this is 8 years ago, and this PC is still chugging, and only now is it starting to itself. All right, tires, obviously soft. Right away, I'm just gonna click that down twice, because Dirt Rally makes pretty good default setups, but in my experience, the rear is like you're always chasing the rear. It's a little bit too bouncy back. All right, let's try this again.
3, 2, 1, go.
That was the cleanest time I've ever taken that hairpin, I think. Oh no! That sucks. Oh boy.
30, turn 3 left long.
Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Come on. Nice.
30,
No!
into 3 right long tight over finish to stop.
317. I'm starting to understand why both of them were so darn quick in the Škoda. This is a way different driving experience from the Fiesta.
1, go. 6 right long, opens over crest 30, flat right and flat left over crest.
Come on.
6 left.
Ah. Oh, like stink.
50.
Oh boy.
Right long
That was scary.
T over crest, slow and
Ah.
100. Right entry, chicane, 6 left, 250.
Oh boy.
Turn 3 left long,
What? Here we go. Come on.
30. 6
What? Ouch. Here comes run number 4. Are you ready? 'Cause I'm not. Ugh. Na, 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 na.
5, 4, 1. 6 right long, open. 6 left.
That was pretty cool, but that was definitely not fast. Ah, there's a flat.
6 left, 250.
Does this count as run number 4? This is run number 4. That was run number 4. Ah! Wow, that sucked. This is where the problems arose. Yeah, so there's a crest right here. So basically, as soon as I crest, that's when I gotta start slowing down. Okay, so this is my 5th and final attempt.
2, 1, go. 6 right long, opens over crest 30, flat right and flat left over crest, 120, 6 left over crest, very long, 60, 6 left over jump, opens long, 80, 6 right over crest, 50, slow, 6 left 30, turn hairpin right around bales, 50,
Come on! No!
30,
Not the upshifter. No.
5 left of a crest, 100, 6 left long, opens of a jump, 50, 4 right long tightens, into 6 left of a crest, extra long, opens, 80. Keep middle of a jump, 100, turn unseen narrow, 4 right long, opens, middle of a jump, 180. 6 left long, opens of a jump, 30. 6 right long, opens of a crest, 50. 4 left long, into 4 right narrow. Opens of a crest, tarmac. 80 over crest, slow, unseen turn, 1 left. Right entry, chicane. 50. 6 left, 250. Turn 3 left long, opens of a crest, gravel. 30, turn 3 left long, 80. 4 right long, opens 30. 6 left over jump, into 6 right long, over crest, opens, keep middle of a jump, to jump, into sudden caution, 2 right. 3 left, 30, 6 right long, 30, 6 left of a jump, opens of a jump long, to keep middle of a big jump, 30, 5 left, into 3 right long tightens, into 5 left, 50. 6 right long, opens over crest, to keep middle of a crest, into 6 right, extra long, stop.
Damn! Wow, so even on my second attempt through this, I still cannot seem to beat this challenge. That is insane. That just motivates me to go and do more dirt and like rally related stuff and then come back to this. Man, that's a great benchmark for skill. Sam, good on you for setting a time like this. This is tough. I'm thoroughly impressed. And Jimmy, I'm gonna beat you in my next video, but this time I'm gonna do it properly and I'm gonna do it with a Ford, all right? So prepare to be dethroned. I'm coming for your ass, Jimmy. All right, good talk. Stay tuned, my goons. I'll see you in the next one.